Alright, today we're going to install the hardtop and full doors on the Mahindra Roxor. First thing we're going to do is pop off these covers for the hinges and a couple bolts here. Alright, next we're going to take the hinges covers off. Alright, now this particular Roxor has got a stock windshield. Okay, so other Roxors might have different windshield, but basically it's all the same. So next we're going to take the windshield off.
You guys already took ones up out of there?
Yeah. Next, you're going to have to do a little grinding. We need this flush in here. So just take your grinder and grind this flush so that it looks like that. Okay, so we have to bend these attachments in so that they clear the flange. So take a pipe and pull it in until these are out of the way of the flange.
Have you done that already?
Yeah. Okay, so next we need a piece of 1-inch masking tape over the flange. Okay, the holes are in the top already, so we're going to put the top on and mark the holes and then take the top back off. So we have to make sure that the body line is flush with the top and that this is even. Okay, so it's flush and even. Now we can go inside and mark the holes. Okay.
There's only two?
Yeah. All right, on both sides. Okay. Next, we're going to take the top off, drill the holes, and then we're going to put the top back on. So now we have the holes drilled, and now we're going to install the bolts. There's the bolt and the washer. And this is the nut.
This should be right here, Jim.
Okay. Now we're going to install the rear clamp. Goes back here. And before you tighten it down, you have to pull this out and then tighten it down. I'll pull this out straight. Okay, this is the front roll bar cover. Goes underneath the top. Okay. And then it gets screwed in down here. Okay, so now,
Is that for the windshield?
okay, now we're going to put the windshield back. But first, we need to work on the windshield. So you need to clean this area around the windshield and install the new seal, which we've already done. These three on the top will have to be drilled, and then I'll put the bolts back in all the way around. And drill a 3/16 hole right there. That's all I'm gonna do. Okay? Make sure you hold the back piece to the front piece when you drill it. Using a rivet and a back washer, put it through all the way, put the washer in it, on it, okay, and then squeeze it and pop it. So we need to put the hinges on, the top and bottom. Now we're going to put the door on. Okay, on the door, you can adjust these hinges, okay? But you need to make sure you have it even all the way around. Okay? Now, the features of the door, it's lockable. It's got a sliding window that locks. It's got a handle, and it's got a mat pocket. Okay, the back door comes down.